right, man, let's do this. Nothing like a nice morning chicken dinner. And this is incidentally one of my favorite drops. There's a motorcycle there we can take out of town. Usually there's some vehicles spawned all around here, so it's like, you know, loot. You're typically not got a lot of people, and you can grab a vehicle. Hey, there's a pan, love those. Grab a vehicle and get out of here. After some serious looting, let's go see what's on the roof up. Oh, grab that. Let's see what's on there. Nothing. All right, first kill. We're going to take this guy out with a pistol. And he's out. Surprisingly, really, my favorite loadout is with a crossbow as one of my weapons. But can't always find it. We will take this 3x scope, though, put that on the M16. And flash hider on... I think I'd rather go with the compensator on the Uzi. Just in case. Oh, let's go back and get that silencer. That can be a big help. Keep the noise down. Oh, you know what? I am going to upgrade to the M4. I find the M4 a lot more accurate and quick. See if I can demonstrate that here in a second. All right. Oh, we got a kill. We got a kill. Let's get it. And that's the M4 right there. Yeah. Couple of taps and down. All right, M4 scope. Oh no. And you know what? I will do a little swapping out here. Let's put the 3X on the P. Come on. And where is the... Did I miss that 4? Get it. All right, let's take this motorcycle kind of close to the safe zone line there, if we can get a little further in. Although I hate the way, yeah, let me go up here and upgrade this because I hate the way it rides without somebody in the sidecar. So let's take this truck and get out of here. All right, you know what? I am gonna go ahead and grab that SKS in case I get, you know, pretty decent scope later on. Incidentally, the shooting range is a great place to get a lot of loot, but you are out in the open, so kind of gotta move pretty quickly, which I'm not doing right here because of the issue I'm having with grabbing loot. Hopefully they fix that. All right, now I see him. There he is. He's laying down. I don't think either he doesn't know I see him. There he's coming. And another one bites the dust. All right, let's grab. Oh yeah, magazine capacity. That would be good for my SKS. And I'm out of space, so. All right. Oh yeah, 8X, nice. Now I'm gonna be set. Let's see if we can. Matter of fact, I need to reload my SKS anyways because I'm not taking advantage of the extended magazine. There we go. All right, here he comes and headshot. Yeah, gotcha. Let's see what's in there. All right, now I hear him. He's real close. Yeah, there he is. Nice. SKS didn't even scope him in. Again, my pack's pretty full. All right, here we go. Take him out. 2 shots. And get in kind of a small zone here. 2 guys left besides me. And I'm gonna try to get over there on the. Uh-oh. Where is this guy? Kneecaps. Kneecaps up. Way to go, kid. Right. I have no idea where this last guy is. No idea. Try to get to the thin side of the 2 circles. That way I can get the storm at my back. Yeah, man, I don't know where this guy is. I should throw some grenades and see if I can get him to crawl out of the woodwork. No motion. He could be a bot. I don't know. He's either very, very stealthy or it's just a bot and he's running around. Don't know what to do. I'm just gonna go around the perimeter here. Oh, there he is. Yeah, chicken dinner, baby.